This is the most loved dessert at our house. It turns out incredibly creamy and melts in your mouth. It's impossible to eat just one piece. There's no resisting it. It's quick and easy. Start by adding 100 milliliters of milk to the blender. Next, add a small carton of heavy cream. Then, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 50% cocoa. After that, add a can of condensed milk. And if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button. Next, cover the blender and blend for about a minute. Meanwhile, let's hydrate a small packet of unflavored gelatin in 50 milliliters of water. Stir quickly before it sets. Then, microwave it for 30 seconds to melt. Once done, add the melted gelatin to the blender and blend for another minute. Then, turn it off and transfer this mixture to a greased pan. Tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. Take it to the fridge until it sets. Next, add 200 milliliters of milk to the blender. Then, a carton of heavy cream. After that, add a carton of sweetened condensed milk. Once done, cover the blender and blend for about a minute. While blending, add an unflavored gelatin, hydrated according to the package instructions. Blend for another minute. Then, turn it off and add 100 grams of shredded coconut. This time, there's no need to blend, just mix with a spatula. Once this step is done, pour all this mixture on top of the other part of the dessert that was in the fridge. And if you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious dessert to impress everyone, you just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. Next, take it to the refrigerator for about 2 hours or until it becomes firm. Our prestigious dessert is ready, everyone. Now just invert it onto a plate and take a closer look at the result. This is that super creamy dessert with a mild flavor that pleases everyone, a perfect option to bring to the table on weekends and gather family and friends. And look at this incredible result. Simply perfect. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it, and you won't regret it. If you've made it this far, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what rating does this dessert deserve? Now I'll be signing off, a big hug, and see you in the next video.